Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll be showing you how to on any Samsung device how to remove the watermark. Now of course the watermark feature is built into your camera, and what happens is that it tags your photos automatically with a watermark. Let me show you what I mean. First of all, in case your photos are already marked, I'm going to show you how to restore them. Alright, so first you go to your camera. Once you're in your camera, as seen here, the feature is on, so to turn it off to prevent future photos from getting the watermark, simply go into your camera. The watermark option should be around here. Alright, so at the top of the screen, without scrolling, look right around here. Watermark is on. All you gotta do is turn it off. So make sure you turn it off first of all to make sure future photos do not get the watermark. Just for this tutorial, I'm going to show you to remove it from an existing photo or any of your existing photos. So, alright, so I'm going to turn it on just to show you, but remember to turn it off. Alright, so the first thing you do is snap a photo while it's on. Notice now that I've snapped. Check this out. Here you go with the watermark. And in order to remove it from an existing photo, to restore your existing photos, go to Edit. And of course, go to Revert. And revert to Original. There you go. And save. There you go. It will remove the watermark. Thanks to one of my users or one of my subscribers or one of the viewers on the channel that basically found this out. And of course, you can check that out on my other video relating to this that basically showed some workarounds. So that user that actually gave this tip, it's very helpful. I'll try to recall the person's name. Alright, the user has a very weird name. It's phone. I'll try not to butcher it. Phone. So it's phone Pasang Arcunlute. Alright, so as I said, it's a weird name. I hope I didn't butcher it. So it's on another video, and we appreciate the tip. Alright, so hope this was helpful. Please share if it was, and see you in the next one, guys. Remember to turn off watermark for future photos not to be tagged with the watermark. Bye.